Today is April 21, 12:52 p.m. We saw some unusual options on International Game Tech. This is IGT. And so keep in mind, earnings is coming up. That's on May 9. And so without further ado, let's take a look at those unusual options. So at 12:19, this is less than an hour, about 30 minutes ago, 12:19. So make sure if you're subscribed, you hit the bell icon for notifications so you get these videos as soon as we put them up. So because we see these unusual options coming in, and it could be an opportunity to act on. So like these 10,000 contracts here, you'll see. So what are these? May 19s and July 21s. Will this, well, let's take a look. The May 19s here, you'll see that here. This is the 30 strikes here. You'll see those 10,000 contracts here. The volume's higher than the open interest. So these are opening orders. We are also in these positions. We sold the 30 strike calls, and let's put that on our analysis. And then for the Julys, you'll see here 31 strike calls. We bought these, and you'll see the 10,000 volume here. You'll see that greater than the open interest. Okay, so let's buy that, and you'll see then what it looks like. What does this profit loss look like, right? Under the risk analysis, this is our profit on the left y-axis here, the zero. Anything above that is profit, anything below is loss. So we're currently trading at $28.12. This is a diagonal, moderately bullish trade. You'll see here that it will profit if it stays within these ranges by May 19, right? So this is the range here from about $26 to $32. It's not very bullish, because if it goes past 32.6, then it will actually be a loss. Okay, what the benefit of this kind of a trade is that positive theta here, and that's what is going on here. Is this trade is allowing for that positive theta, while it is not extremely bullish, perhaps because it has already gone on quite a bit on this rally, and so there's an expectation of perhaps a pullback. And as long as it doesn't drop below that 26, I believe it was around $26. Yep. So as long as it doesn't drop below this $26 here, then it is still profitable, and theta will continue to bring profits in. And it makes sense, this $26, because this was a support level here where it had bounced on this April 6, and then it bounced from here and went up again to a new high of 28.65. And so this rally continued, and this trade is basically telling us that they believe there's this strong support, and if it does break, it may be a good time to cut this trade off, since it doesn't fit with the original idea of the trade, of this acting as a support level. And so as long as that is, this price level kind of holds, and it doesn't break that 32.6, that's way up here, actually, very high up here, right? So as long as it doesn't rally past that and stays sort of down here, right, then this is going to be a profitable trade. Okay, so you'll see here, keep in mind also that this trade requires a buying power of about 100, since the strike prices is $1 away. That's $100 buying power required. And since you're also, because you're selling a call that is less than the long call, so it is sort of like selling a call spread here. And so that it's selling a call spread, but since your long call is longer dated away, it creates a more of a bullish trade, but it's moderately to neutral kind of bullishness. So the idea here is that this price will now consolidate around this range, and as it consolidates, you'll be profitable. And so that's what the idea of these 10,000 contracts are trying to tell us, is that this is going to be trading kind of sideways, maybe slightly bullish, and as long as it does that, we will hit our profit for this trade. All right, if this was helpful, please give us that like and comment if you have any other ideas and thoughts. That's always great. And subscribe if you haven't, and remember to push that bell icon if you want to be notified immediately when we see these unusual options. Again, these unusual options were done less than an hour ago, so you have to have that bell icon notifications turned on, or you'll miss these videos when we see unusual options in such a close time frame. All right, take care, everybody.